Welcome back again, guys. This is Jay from the Crypto Arc, and I have some good news for you this weekend. But before I get started, I just want to say the disclaimers before I get in trouble. Alright, so nothing I say is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's important that you do your own research. There is a lot of risk involved when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies. Alright, so before that, let's get started by checking all the different indicators that we have. First on the list, we have a 10-year yield, 1.579. It's steady. It is showing signs that it's going up. That's going to put a little bit of pressure in the market, but other than that, it's still stable. And we have the dollar. Wow, it got hit even harder. So that's a good sign for the market. It's definitely going to put more money in the market, so keep an eye out on that. And then here we have oil. Oil is slightly a bit lower, so based on the 10-year yield and the oil prices, I can expect the market to pull back a little bit just for the weekend. But overall, the market is still poised to go up. Okay. Next on that list, we have the repos. So there's no repos happening today. However, there was that repo that started yesterday that's going to be ending on Monday. So I do expect next week to have a little bit more money towards the crypto market. And remember, that's not financial advice. All right, so first things on the list, we have Andreessen Horowitz. He's one of the serious venture capitalists, and this is a portfolio. This is regarding regular stocks. So, but they are, however, blockchain related. The new, recent one is Facebook, so keep an eye out on that. And if you do want to check out the crypto portfolio, just go here. Remember, the website is a16z.com. All right, and if you're taking a look, here are the different crypto investments that Andreessen Horowitz has invested in. And remember, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research. All right. So there you have it for that. Do your own research for that part. All right. So here we have Elon Musk advising caution for cryptocurrency investors. Now, here's what I think of that. He is showing up on SNL tonight. So when it comes to Elon Musk, whenever he talks, especially when it comes to Doge will always go up, and he is going to talk about Doge tonight. So this whole entire week, Doge has been steadily rising, so do expect a pullback real soon. And on top of that, the whole entire crypto market space got a recent pump, a good pump during the weekend, the weekday as well. So do expect a pullback on a lot of the coins that got pumped. All right, next on that list. Oh, there's nothing on this list. Whoa. All right, so we have Van Eck files for an Ethereum exchange traded fund. So, I think a couple weeks ago, or no, last week, we had the Ethereum ETFs in Canada get approved, and that pretty much sparked the whole rise of Ethereum from like 2,900 to 3,800. And now we have more ETFs being approved by the SEC for Ethereum. So do expect Ethereum to get a little bit more love. And I think we are still in phase 2 for the bull market. So I can still see Ethereum gaining more traction from here on out. And next on that list, we have the Canadian Bitcoin miner BitFarms approved for NASDAQ global listing. So that is definitely good news for mass adoption, as well as more money flowing into the crypto market space. Reason being is if something is listed on the NASDAQ ETF, it just invites a lot more institutional investors to come in with their heavy money. So that is definitely good news for the crypto market. Here we have next is the World Economic Forum. Okay, and they're saying blockchain could disrupt 867 trillion in traditional markets. So the opportunity could be substantial for an already fast-growing crypto industry, which is why a lot of people are in crypto right now, with a current market capitalization currently around 2.3 trillion. All right, and I think this is the most important, the most significant part in my opinion. So all assets will eventually be tokenized, from stocks to bonds to commodities. At least that's the perspective of many crypto industry executives who predict that most, if not all, of modern finance will eventually run on digital rails. Just put it on the blockchain, as it were. Do I believe that? Hell yes. And there's already a bunch of companies out there that are tokenizing securities. I think Polymath is going to be tokenizing the stock markets. Zilliqa last year, I think, tokenized, not I think, they did tokenize whiskey. It was a company security, and there was also news of them moving to the States. So I can see that movement as a way for them to position for other tokenization of other assets. Also, real estate. There's a blockchain company called Proppy, that's tokenizing real estate, and they are making a big move towards the real estate industry as well. So do pay attention to them, and remember, that is not financial advice either. So if you guys don't know about the World Economic Forum, it's basically where all the elites hang out. So amongst them are ECB President Christine Lagarde. You have BlackRock CEO Larry Fink. That guy probably manages like around 6 to 8 trillion. Carlyle Group co-executive chairman David Rubenstein, and Indian billionaire businessman Mukesh Ambani. And these guys meet up on a yearly basis in Davos to talk about things that they're gonna do to us, like enslave us and stuff, that kind of thing, you know. Yeah, just it's important for you to do your own research on that part. Moving on, we have the approval of US Bitcoin ETF to ignite global Bitcoin buying spree, says crypto quant CEO. So if the ETF is approved, then that means regulations is near. And also that is going to open a lot of investors going into crypto, especially if the states is approving it, because they are they are also the biggest economy to date. So do pay attention to that, and remember, this is not financial advice. All right, moving on to the what the fuck. All right, moving on to that list, and there's no more. So we're moving on to a different list. Okay, where was that? Where was that? Flare. Okay, wait, hold on. All right, that took some time to find, but here it is. I'm going to show you guys this. I think it's very cool. Come on. All right, here we go. Here we have the universe moving towards Earth. This is the representation of space. If space is real. Pay attention to that. Look at all those people floating around. And that's going to be us guys in the future. We're going to be floating around in the blockchain, and then we're going to have all these things. Look at that. Look at them reshaping that building. Damn, look at that. Jeez, this is the future, guys. Pay attention. Coming summer 2021, powered by FLR. Ooh. And remember, guys, this coming June is when FLR does their first initial airdrop. And a month later, you have another airdrop for DFLR, which you will use to exchange for YFLR. There's going to be more news about that when it does come out. But when it comes to FLR, remember, it's not financial advice. Please do your own research. They are going to play a big role in the fourth industrial revolution. And that's all I have for you today. Please press like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Also, if you do want to support my work, please sign up for the Patreon. Patreon members will have access to the information that I research firsthand before I make a video about it. Also, if you join the Patreon, you're going to be added towards a Discord group that I have listed below as well. In there, you get to talk amongst other crypto enthusiasts such as yourself, talking about anything crypto related. I also have a list of crypto picks in there for you to look at as well, and many more things crypto related. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. Yeah. Please press like and subscribe. And yeah, enjoy your weekend.